Okay guys, I wish I'd really taken a video of putting this on.
I'll leave some video playing up there in the corner of me using some Sugru in the past.
Yesterday I got a puncture in the sidewall of my tyre, and I can see from the tyre pressure monitors it was actually going down and down. So I thought, damn it. So coming home I stopped off at a few petrol stations and topped up the pressure in the tyre, waited till it was reading low and then stopped off at the next place. I didn't have that far to go, it was just like 20 kilometres, something like that. The tyre went flat in the garage, so I thought, well, I knew I had some packets of Sugru in the fridge, keep it in there to extend the life.
Sugru is a flexible silicon compound.
Why not give that a go? So I got a screwdriver, a flat blade one, and tried to stuff as much of the Sugru into the hole as I could.
And smoothed it out over the tyre and left that overnight with the tyre deflated, and then pumped up the tyre the next day because the silicon takes up to 24 hours to cure. So I wouldn't want any pressure to be in there while it was curing. And that fitted in fine because I was going to the tyre depot the next day to get a replacement tyre. There are clones of Sugru coming out now. Loctite do a product called Kintsuglue, and I can get that from my local Bunnings.
So you can see the patch there is still held well, which is good. I haven't lost any pressure. Cheerio.